When I'm out on the trail, I want to have a good time, but getting stuck sucks. But with the winch and the Factor 55 UltraHook, that's no longer a problem. The low-profile hook features a closed system shackle mount hole machined right into the body. That means you can use it either as a conventional hook or as a shackle mount. It accepts screw pins from 3/4 inch shackles and soft shackles up to a 1/2 inch. No need for rope splicing. This double shear pin design accepts rope or cable eyes. Perfect for steel or synthetic winch rope. This thing is light and strong. It's made from precision CNC machined 7000 series military grade aluminum, so it's built to last. It can handle a maximum load of 16,000 pounds, but it doesn't stop there. The ultimate strength for the hook throat opening is a whopping 31,000 pounds, and for the shackle pin mount, it's a staggering 48,000 pounds. That's some serious muscle. Those integrated finger grips, they're not just for show. They promote proper hookup orientation, making sure you're set for a safe winching experience. The UltraHook has a safety latch with an integrated latch lock pin that ensures a true closed system winching experience. The UltraHook can be stored neatly against your winch's fair lead, protecting it from any unwanted metal-to-metal contact. Thanks to those EPDM rubber pads, it's not only secure but also completely rattle-free. You can use the UltraHook with a line diameter up to 3/8 of an inch, so whether you're hitting the trails or tackling some serious off-road action, the UltraHook is your ultimate winching companion. If you want to know more about the Factor 55 UltraHook, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.